So how to use Gemini AI chat and art generator app. So first of all, this is not the original Google app. It has the same name as Google app. Previously, Google app was called Bard. Now it's called Gemini. But you use original Google app through just like original Google app. So it's not a separate app in iOS. On Android, you just use it via Google Assistant. But this is just another app, which is also AI app, but which is just using APIs. So yeah, you can just open it up and this kind of like see here, and then you can just do like AI assistant, AI art, or just do like a let's chat, and then just you can just write something, and then there is some error loading response. And then you can just try to use ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So maybe that's the thing, because in this app you can select from different models. But seems there are some kind of a bugs. So yep. Anyhow, you can also try to create AI art, but there are also ads. So then you can just try to do that. So it's kind of like a ChatGPT app here. So yep, here you just have that. You only have like 3 generation, and this kind of works. So here it works, but the chat for some reason doesn't work. And then also you can try to use as the chat. So yep, that's basically what it is. Let's try if the chat works. Doesn't work. So maybe it's just overloaded today, as you know, there are a lot of news that Google just released this kind of Gemini app. But again, to use original Google Gemini app, you need to use Google app on iOS and Google Assistant on Android, and it's rolling out slowly to more countries, especially on iOS.